Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're going to demonstrate how to set the pound as your default currency symbol for till receipts on the ER180 register. It's a fairly straightforward process that is shown in the manual, but I'll show you step by step how to do it now. First thing you need to do is to go into the P mode by pressing the mode button repeatedly until you get to P, or by pressing 6 mode, so P symbol is displayed on the screen. P is for program. You then type in 40 followed by subtotal, then 3 and the X time button, and then the code for the pound is 029. You type that in, and then press subtotal and then the cash button. Now when you return to the reg mode, the next time you process a transaction, if you've got the receipt switched on, you'll have the pound symbol displayed on your till receipt. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. I've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the ER180 and other Sam4S registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.